Holy shit! Holy fuck! Yeah, hi. I just witnessed a really bad car accident on Route 72 in New Britain. Yeah, the car, right by where, yeah, it's on westbound. It is right by the on-ramp for 372 Corbin Avenue. Basically, it went up the embankment and flipped over once and landed. Yeah, that leads, yeah, right by where the merge point is. It looks like both of them got out of the car. They're walking around, and but it flipped up. It's not upside down. It landed right side up, but it did flip. Yep. Thank you. Yep. Bye.